Six Sigma. This session, I will discuss the Six Sigma methodology. Six Sigma has two key methodologies. Number one is DMAIC and number two is DMADV. What is this? DMAIC. D for define, M for measure, A for analysis, I for improve, C for control. That's why called DMAIC. It refers to that driven quality strategy for improvement process. This methodology is used to improve an existing business process. তার মানে যেটা বিজনেসটা এক্সিস্ট করছে চলছে কারেন্টলি রানিং সেই বিজনেস প্রসেসের উপরে এই মেথডোলজিটা সিক্স সিগমার ইউজ হতে পারে নেক্সট DMADV so DM it refers to a data driven quality strategy for design product and process. This methodology is used to create a new product design or process design in such way that it results in a more predictable nature and defect-free performance. There is another DFSS, Design for Six Sigma. DFSS is data-driven quality strategy for designing or redesigning a product or service from the ground up. Yeah. DMAIC methodology. What is this? This methodology consists of 5 steps. D for define, M for measure, A for analyze, I for improve, C for control. Clear? Now, the Six Sigma process uses DMAIC methodology as a roadmap for problem solving, as well as for the product, process, and business systems. The DMAIC framework consists of the following, like define, measure, analysis, improve, control. Define the problem, project goal, the needs to be addressed. In this phase, the Sigma project team identifies a project for improvement based on business objective and the needs and requirement of the customer. In this stage, the Six Sigma project team identifies a project for improvement based on business objective and the needs and the requirements of the customer. Next point, measure. Measure the problem and process from which it was produced. In this measure phase, the team begins with proper metrics, critical measures that are necessary to evaluate the success of the projects are identified and determined. The initial capacity and stability of the project is determined in order to establish a measurement baseline. Clear? Valid and reliable metrics to monitor the progress of the project. are established during the measure phase, input, process and output indicators and identified. Now 3 number point is analyze. Through the analyze phase, the team can determine. Here, analyze data and process to determine root cause of the defect and opportunities. Here, the team can determine the cause of the problem. মানে প্রবলেমটার কজ খুঁজবে এই স্টেজে, and needs to improvement and how to eliminate the gap between existing performance and the desired level of performance. Now, fourth point is improve. Improve the process by finding solution to fix. This is a basic sentence. Now, in this phase where the process transition into solution, critical inputs have been verified and optimized toward nailing down the problem causes. Once problem causes are determined in the analyze phase, the team finds, evaluates through testing and selects creative new improvement solution. Number 5 is control. Implement, control and sustain the improvement solution to keep the process on the new course. Here we discuss the control process. Such success in control phase depends upon how well the team did in the previous 4 phases. মানে পুরো 4টে ফেজে কিভাবে তারা কাজ করেছে সেইটারই কন্ট্রোলটা হচ্ছে এই ফেজ। The keys are solid monitoring plan with proper change management methods that identify key stakeholders. Lessons learned are now implemented and tools are put in the place to ensure that the key variable remain within the acceptable range over time, so that process improvement gains are maintained. So this is the DEMIC methodology of Six Sigma. D for define, M for measure, A for analyze, I for improve, control, C for control. That's total DEMIC methodology. Now we have discussed DMADV methodology of Six Sigma. This methodology consists of 5 steps. Here, D for define, M for measure, A for analyze, D for design, V for verify. So आगे की चिलो DMA, this is common DMA. পরে ছিল D, ওর ক্ষেত্রে ছিল IC মানে improve and control, এখানে হলো design and verify. মানে লাস্ট দুটো পয়েন্ট চেঞ্জ হলো, এখানে হলো ডিজাইন এন্ড ভেরিফাই। আগেরটা যদি কেউ অ্যাপ্লাই করে তাহলে তার ক্ষেত্রে হবে ইমপ্রুভ এন্ড কন্ট্রোল। ওটা আইসি ছিল ডেমিক DMAIC, আর এই ক্ষেত্রে হলো DMADV। তো DMADV মেথোডোলজি মানে হচ্ছে গিয়ে ডিফাইন, মেজার, অ্যানালাইজ, ডিজাইন এন্ড ভেরিফাই। Clear? So next class আমি DMADV and DMSS and others যা আছে আরো কিছু মডেল আছে যেগুলো করা হয় না, যেমন IDOV একটা ফ্রেমওয়ার্ক আছে, সেটা সম্বন্ধেও কালকে তোমাদেরকে একটু আইডিয়া দিয়ে দেব। ওকে।